Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with She's Crafty Kits, but this time I am not going to use photos. I'm going to use photo markers, and these are cut to 3.5 by 3.5. And the reason being is I have scrapped a ton of Christmas layouts already. So I'm going to do one just so it's going to be ready to go when it's time for me to create. Now I do have a kit building series of videos, so you guys can always look at that, but this is what we have right now for our color palette. And this is my sketch. And here is the designer right here. So it's kind of interesting. It's one of these things where the photos are going to be on a fun little diagonal. And let's see. And there's elements coming in from 4 sides. Very interesting as well. And then a visual triangle. So I have that. I do have this interesting piece, which I might have as part of it. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see. I've got some nice deep brown that we can also bring in. That would be fun. I have got this 12 by 12. I have got these great thickers right here. So I have tons and tons and tons of treasures to use. I've got wood veneer, little holiday cheer flags, and more wood veneer and few sequins. So right away, I can see that at some point, I don't know if I still have them in here. But what I do have is, oh, good. I was going to say, I did have some frames in here at some point, but I still have them. I'm going to go ahead right now and make shakers because I am determined to use up some treasure with shaker pockets. So I have a blue, a green. I mean, this is pretty monochromatic in here. Well, not monochromatic, but there's not a ton of colors. So if I want to do any more, I could use this snowy one. I like this one. Okay, I'm going to make 3 shakers with that. Boom. Then, let's see. Then I have these pieces here. Now, according to our sketch, it looks like this. I'd really like to mat my layout. So I think I'm going to go ahead, give myself a nice little skinny brown border and go like that, right? Then I have a few shakers. I'm going to mat these 2 pieces with these 2 pieces of paper, and I'll meet you right back here. So this is where it is because I wanted to bring in my 3 shakers. See, they shaky. Got my 2 photos. So as things go, it is vibing the situation. So I was also thinking this very large Merry Christmas might be an idea for a title, but I wanted to kind of see if that said Merry, right? And we had our Christmas little banner that might, yeah, that would be super cute to kind of have both of the title pieces on the diagonal. Now here they would want it here and here, but you know, I get to be the boss of me. It'll be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that down. I want to put it up on just a little bit of dimension because that's my thing. And then it's going to be a matter of just decorating it up. So guys, this one's not going to be super long. I've been kind of crafting all day. Go me. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this up, but I pretty much just went ahead and followed the sketch. It's going to be great. This one will be pre-done. And then I'm going to grab some of our wood pieces and just make it kind of fun and pretty and all of that. Now the background as things go is not traditional Christmas, but I thought that would be fine because I have plenty in the stickers and all that kind of stuff that will pull all of that stuff together just fine. So let's see where we are. Our sketch is this kind of orientation. So it's, did I do that right? So we have our pieces, right? It's going like that. So super fun. I did end up having lots of fun. So I have my title. I found 3 Christmas flair and I popped them right in the center. I've got 3 shakers and then I used all kinds of wood pieces and I thought that was super fun. So I have this nice set of the 3 for a good little visual triangle. That was fun. And then I have some red stars kind of going just up and down for the most part because I didn't have enough to build out all of the rest of the clusters with them. But I have plenty of red. Now, guys, I'm looking at this and I'm kind of feeling like I really don't need much else in here. I've got my enamel dots that I will, of course, you know, pop on. These pieces here, they're more like snowy, wintry, all of that kind of thing. So I will hold on to them because I have so much on here. But you guys, as things go, this got finished up super quickly. I thought it was fun. It is happy and bright, just waiting for 2 photos. I did not glue down the edge right here of the star, so I can just go ahead and tuck something right under. Same thing for this. These are not fully tacked down. So now I'm going to add just a little bit of green to my little clusters here, and we are going to be finished in like 2 seconds, and I love that. So let's do 1, 2, 3. For those clusters, I've got, let's see, I want to make sure that I have plenty of these pretties. That's 1, 2. I wonder if I should look in. I don't have any enamel dots left over, so I've got this random little bin. Let me see if I have any. Oh, guys, look, I have some more of roughly the same color of green. It's going to be close enough. So I'll go ahead and grab one of these so I can have a big one there too. See, it's close enough. It's fine. Fine, right? So I can do a nice little one here. And then what should I do? I wonder if this one will go right in the middle. I'll go ahead and put that one right in the middle, the one I had left over, because why not? And then I won't just have one single little guy. So that is that, guys, for this layout. It is from day number 6. Loved working with this sketch. I don't normally turn my design to the side, so I had so much fun and it came together lickety split. So guys, I'm going to see you ever so soon with another video and a few still shots to follow. Bye, friends.